Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time seeing my face, a special hello and welcome to you. I hope you stick around a while. Today's video is going to be on how to do a Bantu knot out on 4C hair, aka a chini bump in my culture. If you don't have 4C hair, it is okay. We're really just looking for a technique here that's going to be the same no matter what hair type you have. You just might have to switch up your product a little bit. So full disclaimer, this is my hair after being out all day and in the hot, humid weather, and yeah, it just gets bigger and bigger, but I don't mind it because you know what they say, the bigger the hair, the closer to God, you know. But yeah, I actually meant to record this earlier before the inclements got to it, but that's okay. You'll see how it's supposed to look in the end. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. For the best possible results, make sure you start this style on clean, stretched hair. Give me Rowdy. Here we go, guys. Step 1. So go ahead and determine where you want your part to be. I'm doing mine on the right hand side, but you can obviously put yours wherever you want. My hair is just a little bit heavier on this side, so parting it in the opposite direction gives it more balance. Go ahead and take your wide tooth comb and gently separate the hair until the part is nice and neat, or as neat as you want it to be. Once you're done, clip away any hair that isn't being used at the moment. Once that's out the way, go ahead and start sectioning for that first Bantu knot. Before you start applying your product, make sure you release any shed hairs that might still be in that section. The first product that you apply should always be your styler, and it should be something that is very moisturizing to your hair. Make sure to work the product from the ends up until the root of your hair, and use your paddle brush to evenly distribute the product while keeping the hair detangled. Next up is going to be our gel. I take a small amount of Ego Styler and distribute that evenly through the hair. Be sure to use your brush or the finger raking technique after each product just to ensure that everything is going through the hair evenly. The last product that I like to use before styling is I take a small amount of oil. This is going to lock in the moisture from our styler. It's also going to combat that crunchy and flakiness that you may get from applying too much gel or too much product in general. Alright, begin your knot by flat twisting your hair to the scalp. So similar to French braiding but with twists instead. Notice how I'm going to start twisting my hair to the left, aka your right. Now, that means that when I start to wrap the hair into the knot, I'm going to be going in a counterclockwise direction. If you twist your hair to the left, you'll be wrapping in a clockwise direction, and I hope that makes sense, but you'll see in a minute. Go ahead and twist that all the way to the ends. Okay, here we go. So you can see that I'm wrapping my hair in the opposite direction from which I twisted. And your hair will kind of give a resistance if you're doing this the wrong way, so you'll know. Now, as I create the knot, I'm also retwisting the hair underneath each knot. This is going to tighten this. So if your knots are too loose, that means that you didn't secure it enough by twisting, or that your section is too big. If that happens, don't sweat it. Just go ahead and insert a bobby pin and secure it in place. Once that first knot is completed, go ahead and grab another section and repeat. Woo child, we are almost done, guys. So now that we reach the top portion of the hair, I'm gonna start doing my knots off to the side so that once I take them down, they're falling into the place that I want them to be. So it's important to note that with 4-seed hair, it gives more resistance, and if you don't give it direction, it is gonna do whatever it wants to do. I'm sure you already know. So make sure your knots are going in the direction that you want the hair to fall once it's taken down. Trust me, it's going to save you a lot of heartache if you do it this way. Guys, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We are almost done. Now, I haven't forgot about those edges, so I don't have baby hairs and I'm not going to pretend like I do and try to finesse some. I'm just going to take a little bit of my gel and try to lay these down as much as I can. Now that it is a new day, we about to take these bad boys down. Go ahead and take a little bit of your favorite oil and rub it throughout the hair and carefully just undo each knot. Now, since we flat twisted these to the scalp, we actually don't have to do too much fluffing because it already did it for us. So we're saving on a lot of frizz, y'all. A lot of frizz. Once all of your twists are down, go ahead and just start manipulating your hair until it's the way that you desire it to be. Okay, this is looking about right. I see you, girl. There we go. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in with me. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.